English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Fun, good for you, well. Fun. Fun is a noun. A1 learners usually know fun. At A1, fun is about enjoyment or pleasure. Here are some examples. The quiz was such good fun. The evening was a lot of fun. It's not much fun working nights. Good for you. Good for you is a phrase. A1 learners usually know good for you. At A1, when something is good for you, it makes you healthy or happy. Here are some examples. An apple a day is good for you. Swimming is really good for you. It's good for you to eat plenty of vegetables. Well. Well is an adverb. A1 learners usually know well. Well has many meanings. At A1 it can mean also, in a good way, and it can tell someone how pleased you are for them. Here are some examples. Are you inviting him as well? She's doing very well at school. You passed your exam? Well done. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with fun, good for you and well. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR A1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.